How to recover suspended Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Instagram accounts can be suspended for various reasons, including violating community guidelines, suspicious activity, or using third-party apps. Now, look for an email from Instagram regarding the suspension. It may provide details on why your account was suspended and instructions on how to appeal. So this was the first step. Now further, open the Instagram app and try to log in. If your account is suspended, you may see a message indicating follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the appeal process. You can also visit Instagram Help Center. To visit, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for help.instagram.com. Look for information account suspension and follow any recommended steps. Also, the review process can take several days. Check your email regularly for updates from Instagram. Once your account is restored, familiarize yourself with Instagram's community guidelines to avoid future suspensions. Further, avoid using third-party apps that violate their terms. So this was about how you can recover Instagram account suspended. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.